6. Is that the email that you are referring to?
That is correct, Commissioner.
Yeah. If you turn over at page 27, the third paragraph, could you read that to the record?
On 22 April 2020, application was made for the contract with National Security and Fire to be...
Sorry, the following paragraph.
The next...
start from 22 April is fine.
Application was made for the contract with National Security and Fire to be continued on a month-to-month basis, as at the time we were still in credit with them, and for the request was made for the duration of the process of obtaining quotes from new suppliers. To date, no feedback has been received on that application. The security system that is currently in place is working. However, should there be a break-in at the office, it will be a problem, as there is no security contract in place. Procurement process for a new security contract was done. The other service provided quotes for a 12-month contract for alarm and security services. 3 private security suppliers were requested to quote for security services to include the following: installation of CCTV system, monitoring equipment, infrared passive sensors, armed response, digital recorder, and remote, inclusive of remote network, monitor via cell phone, external perimeter features, beam sensors on the outside of the office windows. An application was made on 29 May 2020 for security service and monitoring at the office for a period of 12 months, but to date it has not been approved. The quotes received from suppliers have now been expired.
I'm not sure I understand the first sentence of the paragraph that states the security system that, let me read the whole thing, the security system that is currently in place is working. However, should there be a break-in at the office, it will be a problem as there is no security contract in place. My understanding is, as at that point, there was no armed response, and also the alarm system would go off whenever there was load shedding, and there would be no backup, so it was good as not there. I want to understand the sentence that says the security system that is currently in place is working. Does that mean the alarm system just making noise here and that's it, and if there's nobody to hear it, it's as good as not being there? Weekends, as you said, nobody would hear it. It would go on and on until the following Monday.
That is correct.
Do you think this captures the situation accurately to then say it's working?
You can just arm it, but that's all. It's not connected to anybody.
It just makes noise. That's it.
All.
If you are not there overnight and during weekends, it's useless, completely useless.
That is correct, Commissioner.
All right. Let's adjourn and resume at 11:25.